darkness covers the earth, and thick darkness is over the peoples. But the Lord will do what? Rise upon you, and his glory shall do what? Appear over you. Arise, shine, for your light has come. Hallelujah. This is a prophetic declaration of what is beginning to happen in this age. Right has become wrong. Wrong has become right. And people are in deep darkness. Darkness in the scriptures is actually another word for deception. One of the enemy's trump cards is deception. And people are in deep deception. But the gospel brings light. Hallelujah.